Have you ever listened, not with your ears, but with your soul? Because nature doesn't speak in words, it speaks in silence. The whisper of the wind, the rhythm of the waves, the stillness of the mountains, each one tells a story, if only we listen. In every leaf that falls, there's a message of letting go. In every sunrise, a promise of a new beginning. And in every sunset, a reminder that even endings can be beautiful. But we humans, we've forgotten how to listen. Our world is full of noise, yet our hearts crave silence. When you sit under a tree and feel the breeze against your skin, that's not just air. That's the earth reminding you, you are alive, you are part of me. So next time, don't just see nature, feel it, listen to it. Because silence is the language of the universe, and nature is its eternal voice. Silence wisdom, where silence speaks louder than words.